So triangle BOC congruent to triangle AOD by angle side, and two triangles are congruent, corresponding sides are also congruent, and corresponding sides, corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore BO equal to AO. Reason by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Therefore BO equal to AO, and means therefore BO equal to AO. It means both these parts are same, and means that CD bisects AB. Therefore it means CD bisects AB. Now in question number 5, line L is the bisector of angle A and B is any point on L. Here L bisector of angle A. L is bisector of angle A means L divides this angle A in two equal parts, and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendicular. BP and BQ are perpendicular from B to the arms of angle A. Here AP and AQ, ray AQ and ray AP are known as arms of angle A, and BP and BQ are perpendicular. It means angle APB is right angle, angle AQB are also right angle, and we have to show that triangle APB equal to congruent to triangle AQB, and BP equal to BQ. BP equal to BQ, it means also we can say that B is equidistant from the arms that is AP, ray AP and ray AQ. So B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. So first we write the data, it means what we have given, and then what we have to prove. So here data, line L is the bisector of angle A. It is given L is the bisector of angle A, and also BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. Now to prove, what we have to prove, that triangle APB from the question I will write. We have to prove that triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB and BP equal to BQ. Triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB and BP equal to BQ. Now proof. First of all, we have to prove both these triangles are same, congruent. We have to prove both the triangles are congruent. So we consider these two triangles. In triangle AP, we consider the triangle APB and triangle AQB. in triangle APB and AQB. See that here L is the bisector of angle A. L is the bisector of angle A, that is L divides the angle A in two equal parts, that is this angle BAQ equal to BAP, both are same, means this angle and this angle both are same, angle BAQ equal to angle PAB. Also here angle APB is 90 degree, angle AQB is also 90 degree, both are right angles, so both are also same. So here we write that, first we write that here BP and BQ are perpendicular, therefore angle APB equal to angle AQB. Angle APB equal to angle AQB. Why both are same? Both are same because both are 90 degree. Angle APB is also 90 degree, angle AQB is also 90 degree. Also we have this L is bisector, means that L divide the angle A into equal parts. L is the bisector of angle A, so L divides the angle A in two equal parts, therefore angle PAB equal to angle QAB. Therefore angle PAB equal to angle QAB. What is the reason? L bisects angle A. L bisects angle A. Now see that this side AB is the common side of triangle ABQ and AB is the common side of triangle ABP. This AB is common side and it is same. AB is the common side of both the triangle. Therefore AB also AB equal to AB because common side, 2 equal to 2, 3 equal to 3, so AB equal to AB. So see that here this angle are same, corresponding angles are same.